Hey all, welcome back to hashtag straight poop. We're cooking something in the kitchen, so why don't you join us on the set? Of course we're going to be cooking with cannabis. So if you're waiting on me, you're loafing. Come on in, join us.
I got some shrimps. Yeah, I'm gonna fry up here because I have some triple filtered, triple drained cannabis oils and I'm frying them in. And I'm going very lightly on the seasoning. Salt, pepper, herbs to Provence. And guys, I suppose it's not your episode this week. So I got some shrimps going and I'm just gonna lightly get them pink, okay? Because this is pretty simple. I got salt and pepper, so I'm gonna grind some peppers in here. I'm gonna put some salt in there too. And you'll notice that I'm not moving them yet, okay? I want to get them nice and caramelized. So I'm not gonna move them yet. Throw some over my shoulder for good luck. And then I had some Creole seasoning from our sponsor, Tony's Sashery. That's kind of going to be like a Louisiana barbecued shrimp, but not really. And it's going to go. And then what I did, I made a nice wild rice and long grain rice pilaf. Okay? Yeah, great. So, they're turning sort of, this is what we want right here, okay? And no more than that, because when I take them off, when I turn the fire off, they're gonna cook for a few more minutes. And there is nothing worse than a shrimp that eats like the tongue on my loafer. You know, and I would croquette, man. I always have. Converse All-Stars I used to, but they were $10 a pair when I was growing up. Now they're about 100. So, this is about done, man, okay? Just let me throw the herbs to Provence on there, and I'm using cannabis oil. Not throwing any tincture in there at all. And I'm not using any tea. I cook the rice, cannabis oil, stock, chicken stock, could do it in seafood stock, pick that off. And there's keeping. Oh, get a good shot without a lot of light. There you go. Okay, I got, how many do we have? 2. It's a good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're not gonna, you know, if you want, you could probably keep those in a pan with some tincture or something like that. You know, I'm not, because this is an immediate lunch. You know, how long did it take? The longest thing that took was the pilaf. Okay, that took 20 minutes. But the shrimp took about, let's see, 4 minutes, less than 4 minutes, and it's perfectly cooked. Look at that, man. It's cooked perfectly. And it's all medicated. It's all cannabinized. The rice is cannabinized. That was fried, flash fried in cannabis oil. It's all good, man. You know, it's all spiced right, and it's easy. Sometimes it's got to be easy here at hashtag straight poop. I could do a chili, I could do a brisket, takes time, that's great, man, but I like doing stuff that's quick for me and the old lady too. I did a video on doing a salad for her. I think the damn video took 2 minutes. But hey, it's content, and if some of you guys want a salad, it's there for you. We're building a big library here at hashtag straight poop. And make sure you get your 3D cookbook along the way as you're watching. We tell you how, okay? So that's about it, guys. My dogs love having you here, okay? Poopers, we'll see you next time on #StrayPoop. If you're waiting for us, you're loafing.